Alright, so we got this back from the repair, and took it totally apart. They replaced the glass cover, and they ultrasonically cleaned everything. They replaced some bearings and a couple gears and mainspring. That little ding was in it, but see if we can hear it. Now the face, it can only clean so much because it's probably, I don't know what it's made out of, but it's pretty cool. But yeah, Suburban Clock and Berea did it. But yeah, very cool. I have no idea what it's made out of. But it's pretty cool. Thanks, Scott. One day it'll be yours. Hopefully you pass it around, pass it down.